dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily copy and paste some text. So how you can do it? So just use your finger, just tap on text you want to copy, and now you will see two different lines. So just choose. So here you can see that right line, it's for end of our text, and first line it's for beginning. So just choose what words you want to copy. So for example, like this, and just release your finger, and now you will see here copy, look up, share. So just tap on copy, and now you successfully copy this text. So after, just choose where you want to paste it. So for example, here. So just tap on here, and just tap with your finger and just wait some time, and just release your finger. Now you will see paste. So just tap on paste, and here you can see that we successfully paste our text. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.